Hi, welcome back to my channel to watch my art. Today I have prepared a project that is based on a private art class. This is a project that I have planned based on the Whimsical theme. So let me explain that to you. I started looking at tarot cards for ideas and inspirations, and I was obsessed with the design and the beautiful illustrations on the lovely cards. So I decided to do a series of wizards on a hand-stitched booklet. So as all graphic designers would know, publication usually works on a signature of 4 pages, and I have mine in 12. 2 pages for the front and the back cover, and the inside pages I have 10. So to tie the whole entire drawings together better, I decided to categorize them according to season, and I allowed myself a 5th season because other than the spring, summer, autumn and winter, I needed to have an extra season just to make it work on 10 pages. Autumn is always the shortest season of all, and it's also one of my favorite, so I decided that I shall extend this particular one. So let me get right down into the drawings before I go on and on talking. By the way, just so you know that all the characters inside the booklets are all worked out of my imaginations, even their names are fictional. So to be honest, it actually took me quite a while to complete this booklet. This is the cover where I have tried to incorporate the inside elements onto a collage over here. And I've given a title to the project, The Amazing Art of Wizardry. As I move on to the inside pages, the supporting elements actually helps to make the booklet a little bit more interesting. Each of these wizards has its own name, which they're all fictional names that doesn't necessarily make any sense or pronounce with ease. I just thought it's fun to put a name to each drawing. And over here at the base, there is also a scale, which is a good versus evil scale. This is really just to help put the wizards in a clearer position to better understand what kind of personality they have. It is to me a very good exercise to sharpen my decision making so I do not get too carried away drawing too many characters of the same style. I wanted a good mix of different look. Okay, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and this speed drawing. I'll do a run through of the rest of the pages, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.